Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to transfer our files to Google TV from our mobile and desktop using LocalSend app. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. If we have any photos or files on our smartphone or our laptop and we want to send that to our Google TV device, maybe for a presentation or a party, then there is a way to do this using the LocalSend app. We already covered a similar video using Send Files to TV app. Please check the link in the description along with other helpful Google TV videos. To do this, we have to first install the LocalSend app on our mobile or desktop device where we have the files. This app is available for multiple platforms like Windows, macOS, Linux, Android and iOS. We can go to localsend.org/download to download this. Then after that, we have to install this app on our Google TV. This app might also be available for some Android TV versions too. We just have to go to the app section and then we have to search for this app, LocalSend. We can search for this app and we can install this. That's all. Now, if we want to transfer a file from our smartphone to our Google TV, then we have to open the LocalSend app on both our phone and our TV. Our phone and TV will get random names. I'll show that now. I'll open this on my TV first. So we have this name Kind Mango. Just like that, we have to open the app on our smartphone. And we have this cute onion name. So on our phone, we have to go to this send option. We have to select the media option here at the top. And we can select the file we want. Then we have to confirm this. That's all. So now we have to select the LocalSend name on our Google TV, Kind Mango. So we will get this confirmation on our Google TV. We just have to take our remote and we have to accept this. We can see the progress here. That's all. We can select done now. So before sending the file, we have to make sure our mobile device or desktop device and our Google TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. We have to keep that in mind. Now to view this file on our Google TV, we should have a file manager app. There are plenty of good ones. Right now we are going to use this File Manager Plus app. We just have to open it and we can go to the downloads option or we can go to the file category. Suppose if it is an image, we can go to images and we can see our file here. That's all. And to do this on our desktop, we have to open a web browser and go to localsend.org/download. We can select our platform here and we can download and install this. After that, we just have to open the app and here we have to go to send and here we can see our Google TV LocalSend app. So we just have to go to file and select the file we want to send and we just have to select the Kind Mango device and we just have to take our remote and accept this on our Google TV like we did for the mobile app. That's all. These are the steps to transfer our files to Google TV from our mobile or desktop using the LocalSend app. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.